Hello, welcome to this episode of the Lightman. Uh, on this episode, we're about to learn how to activate your Windows. Looking down here, you can see they are written activate Windows, meaning that my Windows is not activated. Now, we're going to learn how to activate Windows and also find out how or perfect links or various links to download files from the internet. We have the pirate sites and we have the normal sites. Now, after I search something on Google, I will show you which ones of them are like most trusted. Which of them that the download is easy, like click and go. Some of them you have to click on download. They come you still need internet access to install. Yeah. So now let me open my browser. My browser. So let's open my browser. Now it's open. Then let's see. I search maybe download let's say VLC, that's the video player. Search for it. So see, this is your official website, so you can download it from there. And also this site, I call it the download didnt.com. It will do some wrong method, so normally don't choose that place. This one too, soft sonic to the same thing, some wrong method, don't use that one too. Now there's another, let me search for another file. Let's see, I see BitLocker. The BitLocker. See, download CNET cancer, long method, soft method, long method. Now this website, fireware files is trusted. You can go there, download it easily. M3datarecovery.com too. You can go there, download it very easily. Sourceforge.net. You can go there and download it very easily. And you can also go, let's say, you can also go to File Hippo. Sometimes you see something like you see File Hippo, FILE, then HIPPO. File Hippo too is very credible. Download it very easy. Now, on downloading on how to activate your Windows, first you have to download an activator, right? Now, on the activator, I encourage you to go download it on a private site. Let's say piratebay.com. So Pirate Bay. So there's a website. Let me search on Google so that you see. So I create another one and search Pirate Bay. Now with Pirate Bay, you can download almost everything you want here. Mean games, movies, softwares, anything. Just type the name right here. Correct name, it will come. So here we are downloading the activator. We have a specific activator. So let me click on applications and type. I'm showing something. Let me type just activator and see. Now activator, I click on search. You see Microsoft, blah blah blah. So the activator we are downloading is called KMS activator. KMS activator. activator, click on search. So now you search KMS, then you choose any of the KMS. Let's choose this one because this sign means trusted. So let's choose this one. Then we choose switch up to uTorrent, right? Then we wait for it to come to this side and click OK. After OK, you have to wait for it to finish downloading. Now it's done downloading. So you open folder, you open it. Yeah, here's the KMS file. You try opening it. Yeah, let's run this rather. Click on yes. It opens now. Now, to know whether your computer is not activated or is activated, when you try personalizing it, you see it won't come, it won't fit in. You need to activate Windows before you can personalize your PC. That means you have not actually activated it, but when you activate it, it will come. So here's the KMS of the toolkit. Let's just choose, and either you choose this or let's say this one. So let's choose this one, and then it opens KMS 2016 version. So click on activate. You choose Windows. Activate Windows. So it starts activating it. So click on continue. Now it has finished activating it. Click on cancel. Then now we are done. You see, now activate your Windows that was down here is gone. And now let's try personalizing the computer. You see, now personalizing your computer has come. Now you can change the photos and everything. So mean that you have finished activating your Windows. Yeah. Now thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, view, and share for more. Thank you.